When it comes to pressure washing an area that's exposed to foot and vehicle traffic, using a pressure washer wand can take a while and produce mixed, inconsistent results. And those streaks left behind when you miss a spot are eyesores. The good news is that you can produce better results in less time with the best pressure washer surface cleaner. A pressure washer surface cleaner is a disc-like tool that hooks to the end of your pressure washer hose. Under the disc, there is a spinning wand with nozzles attached that clean a surface quickly and efficiently. They save time and water and remove some of the guesswork involved in pressure washing. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best pressure washer surface cleaners you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. EDOU 15-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Pressure washer surface cleaners see a lot of dirt, grime, filth, and pressure, all of which can shorten their lifespans. EDOU's 15-inch model features a stainless steel housing, aluminum components, and easy-to-clean brass fittings durable enough to stand up to those elements. This model from EDOU features a 4,000 psi maximum pressure, but also a 1,800 psi minimum pressure, allowing it to operate with both gas and most electric pressure washers. The EDOU also comes with two 15-inch wand extensions fitted with 1/4-inch quick connections. And though this model consists of heavy-duty metal materials, it weighs just under 8 pounds. Number 4. EDOU 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner 4,500 psi. DIYers with truly soiled surfaces might find themselves interested in a professional model such as this one from EDOU. This model features a 20-inch wide deck and a maximum pressure rating of 4,500 psi, giving it the oomph and capacity required for tough jobs. It also features a long stand-up style handle and 4 casters for absolute comfort and control on large projects. This model features all-metal construction, with stainless steel being the majority of its 30-pound makeup. It comes with 1/4-inch quick connect fittings as well as a 3/8-inch fitting, allowing users to hook it up to some powerful gas-powered pressure washers. But, with a minimum pressure rating of 2,000 psi, even less powerful pressure washers are compatible. Number 3. Twinkle Star 15 inches Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Twinkle Star's Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner is a semi-pro model suitable for use with smaller gas-powered pressure washers and large electric models. This unit features a 15-inch wide path and a maximum pressure of 3,100 psi, allowing users to quickly clean horizontal and vertical surfaces. This model from Twinkle Star comes with 2 extension rods with an overall length of 30 inches. Those extensions in the units both have 1/4-inch quick connect fittings for snapping onto a pressure washer wand easily. The entire kit weighs just over 5 pounds, so cleaning vertical surfaces like brick and stucco walls is well within its capabilities. Number 2. Briggs & Stratton 6328-6196 Spray Nozzle. Users with less powerful pressure washers can join in the surface cleaning action with Briggs & Stratton's 14-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner attachment. This model features an operational range between 2,200 and 3,400 psi, so it's worth a look for smaller electric washers and gas-powered models alike. Beyond compatibility, this model from Briggs & Stratton has some desirable features. There is a 1/4-inch quick connect fitting for wand attachment. The Briggs & Stratton also features a lightweight deck that measures 14 inches across, allowing users to clean both horizontal and vertical surfaces. And, since it weighs just 3.5 pounds, users won't wear themselves out pushing it around. Number 1. Simpson Cleaning 80165. DIYers hunting for a quality pressure washer surface cleaner that can be attached to a wand should check out this model from Simpson Cleaning. This semi-pro model features a 15-inch deck made from heavy-duty, powder-coated steel for durability. And with a 3,700 psi maximum rating, it works with most gas-powered pressure washers. This pressure washer surface cleaner from Simpson Cleaning features a 1/4-inch quick connect fitting. This fitting allows users to snap their pressure washer wand on and off the unit with ease. While it doesn't have a grease fitting, the stainless steel wand and the nozzles resist corrosion from typical use. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.